Hello again, thanks for joining us. In this video, we will be showing you how you can identify fish species easily with the Fish on Canada app. To view the Identify Species screen, select the camera icon. The Identify Species screen allows you to open your camera and take a photo of your catch. Click the camera icon to start. Your camera should open at this moment. Capture your catch in full view, no obstructions, no shadows, giving the identification AI exactly what it needs to recognize your fish with precision. Tap the button to take a photo. At this point, you can accept the photo to continue or hit the retake if needed. Your photo will be sent to our online AI identification service, a brief moment of analysis, a few seconds of patience, and then the results will be displayed. In this case, our AI shows a 97% probability that it's a largemouth bass. If you get less than 90% confidence, your photo might not be clear enough. Just take another picture and try again for better results. Curious about your identified species? Tap the info button. It unlocks a treasure trove of fascinating details right at your fingertips. Just hit done when you're finished, and you'll go back to the identification screen. The AI can spot invasive species too. When it finds one, it warns you and gives you helpful info on what to do next. What you're seeing is an identification result for the round goby, an invasive species. Notice the bold warning, complete with options for more details and a way to report your catch. Reporting these unwanted visitors is crucial in our fight against their spread, so we highly encourage it. Need handling instructions? Simply tap that info button and you're covered. Well, that wraps up the Identify Species feature on the Fish on Canada app. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, drop us a like. We truly appreciate your support. Remember, you can grab the app for free from the Apple or Google Play stores and try it yourself. Tight lines.